Yeah, lafang na kayo.
Lafang na tayo. Potato chips.
Yeah.
Lafang na tayo.
Taralets.
Tara.
Tralalet.
No. Tara.
Tralalet.
No. Tara.
Parang Tara Alis.
Tara.
Trala. Les. Tralalet.
Tara.
Diyos ko. Trala.
Tara.
Tralalet.
No. Ta.
Ta.
Ra.
Ra.
Come again.
Ta.
Tara.
Ra.
Lit.
Taralalet.
Oh my God.
Ta.
Ra.
Ra. Les.
Yeah.
Taralalet.
Yeah, like that. Hi. Hi.
Kamusta?
Doing good. Doing
Kamusta?
good. How are you?
Almost.
Muy bien.
Kamusta?
Mustas kasi sa
She don't
ano.
know Diyos ko.
¿Cómo está? Muy bien.
Pero, gago. Do you know
Gago.
what's gago means?
It's stupid.
Or jackass.
Gago. May gago.
Gago.
Tanga means stupid.
Ganun din yun eh.
Yeah, same. Bobo. Same pa rin, stupid pa rin.
Bopols.
Babas.
Yeah, bopols.
Babas.
Bopols.
Babol. Make sure my mouth. Juice ko. Bo.
What? Bopols.
I'm hungry. Juice.
No.
Ooh,
Tom
Jones.
Jones.
Tom
Tom
Jones.
Jones.
Na go.
Yeah, tell it to Erica.
Tom Jones na go.
Tell Paul. Paul, Tom Jones ka na.
Tom Jones.
Bo. Tom Jones ka na go.
Tom Jones ka na. Tom Jones ka na.
Tom Jones ka na go.
Ha? Tom Jones ka na?
Tom Jones ka na.
Yeah. When you ask
Someone.
Tom Jones ka na? And if you're going to say that you're hungry, Tom Jones na ako.
Yeah. Tom Jones na ako. Tom Jones ka na.
That's good. Good idea.
Are you going to say that you're going to eat? You're going to eat. Lafang na tayo. Lafang na ako.
Lapang ako.
Lafang na ako.
Uncles.
Talares.
Taralit.
Talares.
Taralit.
Talares. Talares.
That's right.
Rain.
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 Oh yeah. Summer, rainy, and
And Stormy.
stormy.
Yeah. The winter.
Yeah.
In the Philippines too, there's no winter. But during the summer until February, then the wind falls, especially in my place because I live on the top of the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
That's why it's a bit cold. Malamig.
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 Cold.
It's cold.
Malamig. So, malamig.
Mainit means hot. Mainit.
Mainit, malamig.
Mainit.
Mainit.
Hot.
Mainit.
Is hot.
When it's warm, it's maligamgam.
Yan. Pahirapan na.
Maligamgam.
Marikam-kam.
Mali.
Marigo. Mali.
Gam-gam.
Yeah, maligamgam.
Marikam-kam.
And again.
Marikam-kam.
Maligam
When
gam.
you see
Panot ka.
it means bald.
Bald.
You know bald?
Bald.
No more hair.
No more hair.
Oh.
Losing hair. Yeah, don't say
No.
that.
What?
Just say panot ka. He doesn't know what
When
it
he's going
means.
to ask you what panot means, you're going to tell him that it's bald. He's going to punch you.
Wow.
Don't say it.
No, don't say
Yeah.
If
You say, Tony, what, Tony,
ka.
Kamanda.
Kapabili ka ba, Yasi?
Sa wallet.
Hindi, kasi sunduin ako.
Ha?
Sunduin ako. Kuha ka. Kunin ko na muna yung 20, be. Wallet mo lang.
Dalhin mo yung pera, wallet lang dalhin mo.
Dali niya lahat ng wallet.
Nauuhaw ka.